The WeatherWeld 40-year NDL warranty. What is it and how does it work? Well, WeatherWeld on its own inherently has a warranty to it. Once you see the fiberglass pattern in WeatherWeld, that's the actual warranty. WeatherWeld also comes with a 40-year NDL warranty. That means no dollar limit, and our warranty is different than most roofing manufacturers because WeatherWeld's warranty is on your side, the building owner. The WeatherWeld warranty is only one page, with very little exclusions that only includes for acts of God that are outside of our control. And there's really no way to void a WeatherWeld warranty. In other manufacturers' warranties, you're probably used to phrases like becoming null and void or pages of exclusions. And we believe that that's wrong. We believe that the warranty on a roofing product should be inherent to the product. And it just so happens that it comes with a paper warranty. There's no way to void a WeatherWeld warranty because you can do as much damage you want to a WeatherWeld roof and it's nothing that can't be fixed with a half a dozen buckets of WeatherWeld which are readily available. And that's simply because the WeatherWeld technology and the WeatherWeld roof system is designed to be installed and last for the life of your building. And it just so happens that it comes with a 40-year NDL warranty. So when you look at the warranties and you look at WeatherWeld's warranty versus other manufacturers, what you're going to see is that WeatherWeld's warranty is on the side of the building owner. And that's very intentional because our goal is to eliminate your roof leaks on your buildings for a lifetime, and you can only get that from WeatherWeld.